Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on OTG connection on your XIAOMI 15T. Okay, so let's open settings, and you want to scroll down to additional settings. Now from the list of additional settings you want to find OTG, and finally you can turn this feature on. And now you should be able to connect USB flash drives, keyboards or whatever using USB-C OTG adapter or cable. But here is one important note, that this setting is designed to turn itself off automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity, when basically nothing is connected, in order to save the battery of your phone. If your connected device stops working, you should just check this setting in your settings app and re-enable it if it's necessary. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.